there, it's Ashley from WTI. Rezip makes some really great reusable bags. These are their 5-pack flat lunch reusable food grade storage bags, and they come in a variety of colors, which I really like that, especially if you have kids or people in your house with different types of food allergies. It's great to be able to color code who's using what bag. I also really appreciate the closure here. It's a double zip closure, but it also has enough space for your thumbs to easily open this up. And with other plastic bags, I've noticed sometimes it can be hard to get your fingers in there, but these are so nice. These are durable, they're leak proof, they are BPA free, they're freezer friendly, you can put them in the dishwasher. And I have been making a conscientious effort in my house to buy reusable products, and Rezip is perfect for that. They have a variety of different types of bags and colors, sizes. I really love these because I can put this in my son's lunchbox and it's not too big. It lays flat. They also lay perfectly flat in my fridge. And I also love the fact that I can put a variety of different foods in here or liquids, and it is leak proof. Nothing is coming out of this. It seals up really nice here at the top. So if you're looking for some reusable bags for your house, I would highly recommend these. I'm very impressed with the quality of these bags and the fact that you can put them in the dishwasher. That is so nice. But that's just my point of view.